Beth with Hly Inspired. I'm going to show you today some basic crochet stitches. So we're going to start off by making a slip knot. So you're going to grab your yarn and your hook, wrap your yarn around your finger, and pull the yarn through the center of your two fingers. Once you have it pulled through, then pull tight on your yarn tail, slip your hook into the hole, and pull your working yarn, and now you have a slip knot. So we're going to start off by making some chains. So you're going to yarn over and pull through the loop. That's one chain made. Yarn over, pull through. That's two. Yarn over, pull three, and we're just going to continue to do this until we have 10. Okay, now that we have 10 chains, now we're going to make some single crochets. So whenever you're working with the chain and you're working back through your chains, you need to skip your first stitch and you're going to work into the second stitch from your hook. So we're going to slip our hook into that chain, yarn over and pick up a loop. And we now have 2 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through both. That's one single crochet made. We're going to go to the next chain, place your hook into the chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. Into your chain, pick up a loop, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through 2. And we're going to continue to do this till we get back to the other end, and you should have 9 when you get back to the other end. Okay, we're on our 9th one. So that's 1 row of single crochet. So next we are going to work with half double crochets. So in order to do this, you need to chain 1 at the end of your row, and then we're going to turn our work. So we're going to work in the top of your single crochets, but we're going to make half double crochets this time. So your first stitch, this is your hole right here. So if you flip this up, you can see the V that you have. You're working underneath of those V's, okay? So in order to do a half double crochet, you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into that first stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. You should now have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through all 3. So that's 1 half double crochet made. So again, yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. We're just going to continue to do that until we have all 9 of those made. Okay, now that we've made it back to the other end, now we're going to do double crochets. So because a double crochet is taller than a half double crochet, at the end of the row, you're going to chain 2 before you turn. So chain 2, turn your work. Same thing, you're working in these stitches, so underneath the V's. So to do your first double crochet, you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. This time you're going to yarn over and go through 2 loops, yarn over, go through your last 2 loops. That's 1 double crochet made. So again, yarn over, insert your hook into your stitch, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And just keep doing that until you get to the other end. Okay, so we've now made it to the other end. So you have 1 row of double crochet. And this is the right side. If you flip your work, this is the wrong side. So this is 1 row of half double crochet. Flip your work again, and it goes back to the right side, first row of single crochet. So that's single, half, and double crochet stitches. Beth with Hly Inspired. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day.